What's up, guys? Welcome back to another Quick Tip Tuesday. Today, I'm going to tell you how Facebook can make you a better woodworker. That's right, Facebook. So, when I first started woodworking, I had no knowledge of woodworking at all. Nothing. Never did anything outside of like high school woods class, and we all know why we took woods and stuff in high school. It was not to learn about woodworking. So, I purchased a wooden American flag for my dad, and I gave it to him as a Christmas present, and I also bought one for myself shortly after. And one day I was sitting at home and I was looking at it, and I was like, it doesn't really look like it's that hard to do. Well, at the same time, my grandfather and my father both decided that they were going to upgrade some of their tools and their equipment, and they ended up passing down all their old stuff to me. I had just gotten my first actual house that wasn't an apartment or whatever, and I had a giant garage, and they filled it full of tools. And I was like, great, don't know how to use any of them. So after buying this wooden flag, I was like, I could really try to make my own. So I made one, and I know you can't really see it, but the first flag is actually hanging on that wall right there. And I made a little small one, and from there, I was like, this is a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it. So I started just kind of tinkering around, a lot of YouTube, and eventually I found a guy on YouTube that I started following, and I watched every video he'd ever put out, and there's a lot of them. And he's still making videos now, a lot of tutorials and stuff similar to kind of what I'm getting involved in. And he had made mention of the woodworking community on Facebook. So I thought about it, and I was like, hey, that's not a bad idea. So I joined a scroll saw group on Facebook, and anytime I've ever had any questions, everybody just lines up to help you out. The woodworking community is absolutely amazing people. I have yet to meet a single person in woodworking who their opinions might not be the same as you, and they might feel very strongly on their way, but they're going to help you. And it's just incredible. I mean, even these videos that I make every week when I upload a new build video, and even this quick tutorial or this quick tip Tuesday, it's going to go to all them Facebook groups, and they all accept it. They all like, comment, share, everything. And the woodworking community will make you a better woodworker. It's fun to get on there and post your pictures of your completed projects and hear everybody's feedback, because of course your family and friends are going to tell you that your stuff is great. They're going to. I could nail some stuff together real quick and take it into my wife and be like, what do you think? And she's going to be like, oh my God, I love it. But they're going to be honest, but they're also going to be respectful and nice. So a few of the woodworking groups that I follow is, being that I'm in Illinois, I follow Woodworkers of Illinois, Scroll Saw for Beginners, Scroll Saw Projects, and Woodworking for Beginners. Those are the top four that I am the most active in, and it is phenomenal. Any question you post on there, you're gonna get hits back right away. I had a problem last weekend on a project I was working on, and I posted it on there, and me and this guy were commenting back and forth, and I couldn't understand what he was trying to tell me. He video called me on Facebook and walked me through the whole project, walked me through the whole steps on how to finish it. And it's amazing. And if you're a beginning woodworker coming into the market or coming into the trade, it's very intimidating. I'm still a beginner myself. I've only been woodworking for 2 years, and there's still thousands of things I don't know. And half the stuff that I do, I don't know the right way to do it. I just know a way that works. And being involved in the woodworking community on Facebook is huge. There's another way Facebook will make you a better woodworker. Facebook Marketplace. A lot of the stuff I have has come from the Facebook Marketplace. I have found some amazing deals on all sorts of tools, wood, everything on the marketplace. I forget who said it. You know what? Nick over at Build Dad Build. He said it best. Tools are going to be like exercise equipment. It's either going to be beat to shit or it's going to be brand new and never used. And it's 100% true. I see it all the time. And another good thing you're going to find on the marketplace is wood. Just last week, I seen a guy, he had a tree come down and he slabbed it out and was selling the slabs for like $20 just to help out local woodworkers. I got a couple of them and they're awesome. And for $20, you're not going to find those at a hardwood dealer or anything like that. I see people selling free wood on there or giving away free wood on there all the time. Or they have some leftover 2x4s from a construction project and they're like, hey, anybody wants them, come get them. That is phenomenal. Another way that Facebook can make you a better woodworker is you can also sell your projects on the marketplace. So when I first started, that's how everything of mine went. I would build a few things and I'd put them on the Facebook Marketplace and they would move at a decent rate. You know, I was also doing Let Go and I have an Etsy, but I've kind of backed off now and I mostly do vendor shows. But Facebook Marketplace is what got me started because it's going to be centralized to your area and you're not going to have to worry about shipping or any of that. You meet up or whatever. And it's just a good way to start gauging a price range for your materials. Along with Facebook, I guess the overview of it, networking in the woodworking community is one of the most important things you can do. I know I've said it a few times. I'm a local P&D driver for a trucking company here in Illinois, and one of my customers, me and him got to talking, and I brought up a couple times of me doing woodworking. So he started asking me about it, and I explained kind of like some of the stuff I made. Well, if you can see behind me, all that wood, those are all 1x4s. There's 200 of them. The company that I pick up freight for, they had those for putting rolls of plastic on, and they gave them to me this weekend. So I went and picked all that up. It's 200, or it's like 211 1x4s free. They're all 10, 8, and 6 foot. So networking is a big thing in this industry. I'm going to wrap it up because we're getting pretty long on time here. What I'm saying is nobody's going to turn you away. If you need help, somebody's going to help you. So don't try to go at woodworking alone, especially the younger beginners of this industry. We have so much to learn from the older generations of woodworkers, and they want to teach us. There's too many not men left out there. So to see young men and women not getting into trouble and not doing irresponsible, reckless things and wanting to be in a wood shop and working and learning an actual trade, they're going to give you their time, and they're going to give you their knowledge. So take advantage of it. Get on those Facebook groups. Get on the marketplace. Start networking and grow your wood shop. So I'm going to wrap it up, guys. I appreciate it. Sorry I don't have some type of a buildy quick tip. I had maker's block this week, and it's been rough. Hopefully this weather will kind of lift up a little bit, and I can get out here and start doing some cool stuff. I did get some cool new tools, though, that we're going to talk about. But as always, guys, I'm Zach with Zero Designs. Hit the subscribe button here, and check out some builds over here. So thanks, guys.